The market for the last couple of days has been showing some signs of fatigue, and while it's been outperforming, it looks like the weight of global cues is just getting a bit too much, even for our market. At least that's what the price actions seem to indicate on Friday. Let's ask our experts if the trend is showing signs of turning. Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar now joining us. Gentlemen, good morning. Sudarshan, Friday's red bar was quite big, 2% down on the Nifty, and the mid-cap market almost collapsed on Friday. Is this market showing signs of reversal, or is this a market where you still want to explore long positions?
Yeah, good morning, Anuj. No, the markets have changed, sort of their structure just overnight. The first step is that they broke down the Wednesday lows of 17,771. That's a decisive move for the market to make on the downside. I do not think we are now any longer in that original uptrend. Either we are entering a choppy market or we are probably going through a downside correction. The market will tell us which way it wants to go, but it's not an uptrend. There will be small up moves, of course, that's always possible, but it's not a buying idea now. So there is no buy on dips opportunity in the Nifty. We just wait patiently. Since I'm not a very big fan of going short in the Nifty, so many tests tell us that taking short positions eventually is not a winning proposition. Then it's better to step aside and let the market say whether it wants to go further down or stabilize here. But there's no buying opportunity, not yet. But intraday trades are possible in the bank Nifty if the Nifty shows signs of stability at around 17,500. Then there is an intraday long trade in the bank Nifty which has been outperforming. That's for highly skilled traders. For me and for most others, it's a market where you don't want to buy the dip and just stay away.
Okay, so if the Nifty stabilizes at 17,500, you said perhaps try an intraday long on Bank Nifty. What would be the levels to watch on Bank Nifty?
No, the levels are for the Nifty because the broader market has to stabilize. But you just keep a 150-point stop if at all you buy the Bank Nifty.
Got that point. Mitessh, good morning. How are you trading both Nifty and Bank Nifty today?
Good morning, Anuj. See, I think on Friday I said the opening gap down will not be a buying opportunity because the intraday indicators were slightly on the negative side. Also, if you look at the intraday charts of the index, I think we got two highs around 18,050-60 mark. One was on the 13th of September and the other one was on the 14th of September. So we got some sort of a double top pattern, which in the short term indicates that the immediate trend is on the negative side. So again, I think yes, Friday's low is very important. 17,500 is an area which I'm watching very closely. But I think that there is a good chance that we might break it. If not today, maybe tomorrow. But I think eventually we'll go below that. And this correction would get slightly longer. And in the worst case, I'm penciling in about 17,150. Broadly, I think this is a market which I would use if you get a 100-point kind of a gap up, I'll use to buy into put options for the short term. And this correction or this choppiness could possibly continue for about 10 to 12 sessions.
Okay. In terms of stocks then, Mitessh, what are you buying and selling?
So I have more of sell calls, 3 on the sell side, 1 on the buy side. Out of when the pharma is a sell with a stop at 541, targets of 515 here. Reliance is a sell with a stop at 25.32 for targets of 24.40. Mindtree is a sell on a mild bounce back around 31.30.40 sell with a stop at 31.85 for targets of 30.20. And MFSL is a buy with a stop at 811 for targets of 8.45.
Okay, and Sudarshan, how about you? I assume there are more sell calls than buys considering the market momentum. What's your view?
Well, then it's a mix. It's equal, but yes, because the market itself is confusing. Motherson Sumi is an intraday short sell. The stock has been underperforming the Nifty and it's just broken down from a significant support level. Intraday stop above 130. Muthoot Finance is another short sell, although I did hear that financials will be in a big bull market, but we are only talking of today. And today it's an intraday short. Again, a strong underperformer with a stop above 1,058. Power Grid is a buying opportunity. If we get any dip in the day, it's been an outperformer and is likely to remain so. Buy it with a stop under 233. And IDFC First Bank has been going through a wonderful rally. That rally should continue. Anything that's been going up when the market was going down should be bought into. Keep a stop at 50. So there's a mix and markets are also confusing.
Okay, thanks for that, Sudarshan and Mitessh. Well, let's do one thing. Let's take a quick break. We are just about 5 minutes